Storage isn't just about where you store your cherished photos, keep your memes, and download your games. It is the heartbeat of your PC's speed. If your drive is feeling a bit sluggish, it's time to give it a digital energy drink. I'm your host, Trisha Hirschberger, and today we're diving into the easy wins that will make your SSD faster, snappier, and live long enough to see the next decade. Look, nobody likes a loading screen. By taking 5 minutes to tune your drive, you're getting faster read and write times, a system that actually listens to you the first time, and extending your drive's lifespan so it doesn't die on you mid-game. Who would say no to that? Exactly. What is trim? Think of trim as a housekeeper that cleans up unused data blocks so your SSD doesn't have to stumble over trash. And it's usually on by default. Next is write caching. This lets your SSD queue up data in high-speed memory before it actually commits it to the disk. It's like having a personal assistant who organizes your mail before putting it on your desk. Here's how to do it. Windows key plus X, Device Manager, Disk Drives. Right-click on your SSD, hit Properties, go to the Policies tab, and check Enable Write Caching. Pro tip, only flip this switch if you've got a battery backup. If your PC loses power unexpectedly, any data in flight will vanish into thin air. Now, if you're looking to speed up a SATA-based SSD, like the Kingston A400, AHCI is where it's at. Think of AHCI as the high-speed fiber internet for your drive. If your computer is still set to the old IDE mode, it's like forcing your lightning-fast SSD to communicate over a rusty dial-up connection. Here's how to check. Right-click the Start button and hit Device Manager. Look for IDE ATA/ATAPI controllers and click the arrow to expand it. If you see AHCI in the list, you're already running at full throttle. If not, your drive is stuck in the past. With these tweaks, your SSD should be screaming. In a good way. Did I miss your favorite speed hack? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.